Okay, we're doing the cinnamon challenge.
I don't want to do it.
That's it. We're doing the summer challenge. That's it.
It's focus.
I want to smell.
You go first.
Ew.
No, I make you do it. So you have to go. We'll do it at the same
Cinnamon
time.
smells bad.
But I'm able to do it.
Cinnamon smells terrible.
Hold that.
Is that your spin? Oh.
Don't do it yet. You gotta turn around. Wait, lift your feet up. Lift your feet up.
What?
Okay, you gotta face this way.
So I have to try to swallow this?
Yeah.
I have more than you're gonna get.
Yeah, but I'm able to do it.
Ew, it smells really gross. I don't want to.
Okay, Brittany will go first since she's not chicken.
No, we have to do it at the same time.
Does it?
Well, I can't hold both of you. I'll final zoom back. Lot.
Or go to the door?
Or go to
Yeah,
the door.
okay.
If I needed closer.
Wait, so we're just supposed to
Put it in your mouth.
try to swallow it? And what if we don't swallow it?
You spit it. But you gotta try really hard. Okay. One.
No!
One. You gotta drink. So if you need it, just take it. It will probably get stuck in your teeth and the top of your mouth. Okay, one.
Oh, really?
Okay, wait. You gotta show this.
The cinnamon.
I don't want to do this.
The other cinnamon.
One.
I don't want.
I'll give you $1. 1, 2, 3.
See the teeth? Teeth! There we go, folks. Ugh, looks like turd. And look at Brittany! Look at Brittany! Brittany's last one standing. It looks like you're about to spit at me. Okay, it's okay. More spit. Ew, people.
More? No.
Ugh, more.
Ew!
Swallow it, swallow it, swallow it. Ew, look at Ella's mouth. Look at her mouth. Look at her mouth. By the way, that's not puke, that's cinnamon.